The new Illinois law that could give parole to some women who kill their children. It could mean freedom for 61-year-old Paula Sims of Alton. Sims recently got her life sentence commuted. Illinois is now the first state in the country to recognize maternal mental illness as a defense. 1 in 9 women has symptoms of postpartum depression after birth. 1 in 1,000 experience symptoms of postpartum psychosis. This is a much more serious mental illness. And up to 4% of those women left untreated commit infanticide. They kill their child. This video shows a young Paula Sims in the late 1980s in handcuffs after being accused of killing 6-week-old daughter Heather, whose body was found in a trash can. This is 61-year-old Paula Sims today, serving a life term at Logan Correctional Center in Lincoln, Illinois, for murder.
Paula is not the same person. First of all, she was when she was psychotic in that brief episode when she took the life of her daughter.
Sims later admitted to killing another infant daughter, Lorelei, 3 years before Heather was born.
Before her second baby died, she wanted to get psychiatric care, and her husband told her that we don't do things like that in our family.
This is video from her highly publicized trial in January of 1990. At the time, Sims told police her daughters were kidnapped. But doctors say Sims suffered from postpartum psychosis all those years ago. And now the legal system is finally seeing it as a diagnosable medical condition.
Women need to be treated accordingly and not persecuted, prosecuted for these crimes that occurred when they weren't in their right minds.
Dr. Diane Sanford of St. Louis, Dr. Susan Feingold, and Attorney Barry Lewis will testify before a parole board in September, advocating for Sims' immediate release. All say postpartum psychosis is a rare and temporary maternal mental illness that is most common in the month following birth.
They have a loss of contact with reality. They sometimes haven't slept. They become manic, sometimes paranoid with bizarre, often religious delusions or beliefs, can have hallucinations. And so they sometimes feel they're getting a message from God that this is that they're to take this child's life to save the child.
Postpartum psychosis was never part of Sims' defense.
And the defense attorney apparently disregarded that, never hired an expert on the subject, and said he did that because he believed that her protestations of innocence.
Dr. Feingold and Attorney Lewis helped write a new Illinois law that gives mothers imprisoned for child neglect or murder a chance for a reduced sentence if postpartum was never part of their original defense.
We estimate about 1,000 women throughout our country that are incarcerated due to a maternal mental illness who are serving long or lifetime sentences.
Dr. Feingold and Attorney Lewis are now working with the state of Massachusetts on a similar maternal mental illness bill, hoping it will become a role model for other states across the country. Paula Sims tried to appeal her sentence back in 2005, saying postpartum wasn't part of her original defense, but the Illinois Appeals Court denied it.